welcome for another video, and today I'm going to be doing a day in the life. Alright, so yeah, today I'm going to be doing a day in the live trading CPI. So let's get ready. It's currently 12:46 p.m. so I'm kind of starting it today. I was busy like the whole morning and I kind of slept in, so I woke up late. So yeah, let's get ready for CPI. I'm going to go ahead now, do some back testing, and let's get ready. So also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, do want to subscribe. I do drop vlogs, drop educational content for you guys. You do not want to miss it. You do not want to miss it, trust me. Just picking up my clothes that have dried, and I want to head back inside and continue back testing, because like I said, we are trading CPI live, and let's go back test. So basically today is like a very boring day. I'm not going to lie, because like I don't have anything to do today, so like the vlog won't really be that interesting, because today I'm just trading CPI alone. And yes, I'm just going to like maybe have small talk with you guys, so it's good. Right now I'm just basically trading live account for some people, managing some funds, and also I am trading these lights. So also I am trading a Profem account, a $10,000 account, and I wanted to document it, but I think it's already too late, because I've started and I'm already far in with phase 1. But if I get to phase 2, I'll start documenting it, because I think like to make an interesting challenge for you guys, content for you guys. So I think I'm going to do just that. And so for now, let's just get ready for CPI. Let me get ready. I'm already freshed up before I even picked up my phone. Was also I couldn't even vlog in the morning. So right now that we are active, let's go. This is FX Streets, and this is basically where I read my news. If you haven't seen me explain how to use this website, check out my previous video on news trading, and you're going to see how I explain like how you can use this. So okay, we are reading US CPI, and you can see expected to keep rising in December. So I've obviously read through this before now, and so what I've seen, also I copied and pasted on AI, and AI also helped me conclude that US CPI is expected to rise by the government, the FOMC, the officials, right? And that is an edge from a fundamental side. And what does that mean? When US CPI rises, the dollar rises. So USD CAD, USD JPY buys, GBP USD gold, the ones with USD at the end sell. So I'm going to be looking to sell GBP USD this CPI with pending orders. I'll use a sell stop. So let me go into the chart right now and do analysis. Well, big on fundamental and bearish. Okay, so we are on GBP right now, and okay, honestly, GBP like isn't really like, I'll be honest, giving like too much confluences, right? But based on the fundamental confluences we read the news, that's like my own additional confluence, right, for this sell. And so I'm just trying to see what we can find. And okay, you can see on GBP that we are rejecting from that. Yeah, I think this is like a symmetrical kind of triangle, although it's ascending, right? GBP for us, we are looking to sell. We are looking to sell GBP USD. So hopefully by the time this is 2 p.m. so by the time maybe market gets to this point, by then, or maybe it can break above. That's just the thing, you don't know till this time. So if this news happens, I'll be targeting this line, area of liquidity. So this this one right here, area of liquidity, exactly. So basically this trade right now is not the setup on its own, is not like something for me to be confident in. Like this on its own, I can't just trade this on its own. But my point here is we are trading based on bias from the fundamental, from reading the news. The news is showing more signs of sales on GBP USD, so we should be looking for entries for sales on GBP USD. So Yeah, guys, let's just wait for the news at this point because I'm going to sell. You guys, so we traded CPI today, and basically we didn't even get to trade it because I set a sell stop order and we did not get triggered. The news was a buy. So yeah, that's one thing about news trading. At the end of the day, some people call it gambling, but still I managed risks today. So even if I had lost, I managed to risk. I wasn't risking my whole account, right? So we come back again and we do our thing. As for today was a good day. I lost a trade in the morning on BTC, and then this CPI I didn't get to trade it, so it is what it is. Day in the life of a trader, kind of boring sometimes. So catch you guys in the next one. Yo, what is good, guys? So this is the end of the vlog, end of the day. So I ended up taking a win, and you guys also saw the win. So I guess today ended up being good, even though I didn't get to trade CPI. So remember to subscribe, like, and see you all in the next one. Love.